All right, with that, let's shift our focus now to the UK, where Prime Minister Keir Starmer is possibly facing the toughest test of his political career, as falling public support and rising pressure within the Labour Party continues to threaten his leadership. In a fresh blow to the UK Prime Minister today, his Health Secretary Wes Streeting resigned from the cabinet, citing loss of confidence in leadership. In fact, in an open letter to Keir Starmer, Wes Streeting said that the leadership has drifted in circumstances where a direction is needed.
You don't agree with the Governor of the Bank of England, but you can't explain why. Now seemingly you don't agree even with your own economic advisor. Could you please point to any evidence whatsoever beyond argument and beyond a view
beyond argument, you don't
there
want
would
argument.
not be an economic shock in the event of Brexit?
Keir Starmer, remember, has vowed to fight for his position, but he continues to face growing calls to step down after Labour's poor performance in last week's local elections. However, he's warned ministers and MPs that a Labour leadership contest would plunge the party into chaos amid rising speculation over a possible challenge from Wes Streeting for the top post. Growing discontent over key policy decisions and Labour's electoral setback have prompted over 90 of Starmer's MPs to call for his resignation, while 4 junior ministers resigned earlier this week. Streeting's resignation has further deepened Keir Starmer's battle for political survival. At a time when Starmer's future in the Downing Street appears more uncertain than ever, King Charles delivered the King's Speech in the UK Parliament, outlining the government's legislative priorities for the upcoming session. This includes plans on economy, immigration, energy, housing and public services, police reforms. In fact, he also raised stakes for a government that is already under intense pressure to deliver.